Your first question as we start this video should be, what are they? Microservices and serverless. If you are looking to modernize your architecture, move away from monoliths, and build your own software solution, you'll have two roads you can take, microservices or serverless. At the end of each road, you will find improved developer productivity, increased scalability, and quick deployment. Let's look at what these technologies are and how you can choose the right one to build your application. Microservices. Microservices architectural approach solely focuses on building individual modules of an application, each with a well-defined interface and operations. When do you choose microservices? When the application you are building demands high scalability. When you are sure you will need to process copious amounts of data. Why choose microservices? We all know that microservices makes deployment quicker, can help you identify defects faster, and reduces your risks of failure. What are the other benefits? Easy flexibility. Microservices is perfect for evolving applications since you can create a new or update an existing feature without disturbing the entire application. Selective scalability. Microservices is an appropriate choice when you want to select and extend only high-usage modules instead of scaling the entire application. Improved reliability. Microservices is a highly reliable and resilient choice, thanks to its divided structure. That means when a specific module in the application crashes, it doesn't necessarily affect the rest of the application. On the flip side, you must keep in mind that opting for microservices might increase your overheads to manage multiple databases, demand extensive expertise, stricter interface, and enhanced security. Serverless computing, also known as functions as a service, as an execution model puts all the onus of executing code and allocating resources on a separate cloud provider. When do you choose serverless? When you have short-term processes requiring client intervention and real-time efforts. When you want to scale quickly without affecting the overall performance. Why choose serverless? So yes, serverless promises you faster release time, lesser maintenance, and better utilization of resources. What are the other benefits? Low latency. Serverless provides you with reduced latency and fast-tracks time to market. The code can be run from anywhere since it is not hosted on the origin server. Vendor-managed. Serverless computing frees up developers to focus on value-adding projects without any constraints, since it is the external vendors who manage the servers. Relatively inexpensive. Developers are charged only for the server capacity they use for serverless apps. On the other hand, for server-full apps, servers must be purchased in advance whether developers use it or not. On the flip side, the serverless approach is overly dependent on vendors, increasing security risks. Since developers have limited visibility of the back-end, testing and debugging can also prove to be a hassle. While making an informed decision, you need to note that both microservices and serverless solve distinct problems. For heavier applications driven by voluminous data, choose microservices. To build and deploy small applications quickly in a restricted budget, go for serverless. Reach out to us at NIT or Infotech to learn more about which approach fits best for your software application development needs.